Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to make a daisy flower in crochet with all simple stitches like chain stitch, single crochet stitch and slip stitch. These flowers are so beautiful for decorations. Now let us see how to make. Leave around 3 inches from the end and we'll start twist the yarn and pull the yarn through the hole. You'll get a loop. From this loop we are going to put 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After putting 6 chains, join the first chain, leave that loop and in the first chain insert the hook and pull the yarn. This is slip stitch. We join with the slip stitch, chain 1 and single crochet stitch through the hole. See, I have finished one single crochet stitch and we can mark the first single crochet stitch. There is a chain, you put a marker in it and then we will continue to put 12 single crochet stitches through the center hole. Pull the yarn through the center and pull the yarn through 2 loops. Insert the needle in the center hole and pull the yarn through the center. You will get 2 loops and pull again. This is single crochet stitch. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the lessons and learn the basic stitches. Now we are putting 12 single crochet stitches in the center hole. You can count again. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 with the marker. You pull the yarn and cut it leaving 2 to 3 inches. See, now we have one end. This end you put the hook, crochet hook in the marker chain and remove the marker. Through this chain you pull the yarn. We are now putting the 13th chain. See, this yarn should come like this and you will get one more chain. So pull the yarn through the chain. See, now we have put the 13th chain. Already we did 12 single crochet and now one chain, totally 13 chains in the circle. You cut the starting point, pull this yarn through the stitches behind, leave one stitch and from the next stitch insert the hook and pull the yarn. You can pull this yarn through few more stitches and then cut the end. Now you can cut this end and the center portion of the flower is now ready with 13 chains. Take a thread in another color for petals, leave around 2 inches and pull through one chain. You will get a loop. From this loop we are going to put 13 chains. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Join the petal in the next chain with the slip stitch. See, we have finished one petal. We are going to the next petal and again we are going to put 13 chains. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and in the next chain insert the hook and pull the yarn, and this is another slip stitch. We have finished 2 petals. Now we are going to put the third petal. In the same way we should finish 13 petals like this. We have 13 chains in the center round, 13 chains for each petal and totally 13 chains. See, I have finished the third petal. So I will finish all the other petals and come back to you. See, I have finished 12 petals totally. Now going to the 13th petal. Again 13 chains. I have given all the links in the description box. You can click on the links and learn these basic stitches. See, I have finished 13 chains and we should join with the slip stitch in the next chain. I have joined the 13th petal, pull over the chain like this and you can cut it. You should take back the yarn, turn the side and bring the yarn back side, and now we should finish it. Leave one thread and in the next threads you can pull the yarn. Pull it through some more threads and then you can cut it. See, this is the starting point. You can also pull this yarn through few stitches. And then cut this. See, now I have finished the daisy flower. This is so beautiful with so many petals. You can try this in many colors. Hope you all like this video. Please share with your friends if you like this video. Give a comment and subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching.